In preparation for kiwi coming to Shakespeare, there's a few things we need to do to keep them safe. The first thing we've done is make them safe from predators. That's our pest-proof sanctuary. So our volunteers have been going out and putting some additional fences to stop them from moving beyond this site. Largely what that does is putting extra barriers on some of our farm fences to make them kiwi proof, so they can't wander down towards the beach area and off into the wilds that are beyond the fence.
So we're utilising there's an existing retaining wall all the way along the defence road here, and in parts it's high enough, but in other low points we're having to put in either some extra posts and some mesh to make sure that it's not under 600 millimetres, which is evidently the height that the kiwis can't scramble over. So we've got a month yet to complete it, and I'm sure it'll all be right by late April.
Okay, every single one of the kiwi that comes to us will be carrying a radio transmitter, okay? And that radio transmitter looks like that. The second thing we need to do is understand what is happening to our birds once they arrive. So every single bird will be carrying a radio transmitter like this. It's on an individual frequency, and our volunteers will go out and monitor them. So our team today are learning how to use the equipment. The radio transmitter can tell us the location of the bird by finding them with an aerial.
Turn it on.
96 plus 0.5.
And what's the channel?
Once we know the location, we know if they've moved beyond the safety of the fenced environment.
If we walk up this way now 90 degrees, we'd be able to track back.
The transmitters also have technology inside them which can tell us if the bird has stopped moving, which may mean that it may be dead or in some sort of trouble, so we can follow up on that. At a later date, we can also use the same location information to work out whether the birds are breeding. Once the birds are safe, not moving beyond the fenced environment and are breeding, that's when we know we've got a successful population establishing.